All right, we've been waiting for this for a very long time. How to natively on the iPad do a face cam and a tutorial using iPadOS 26. This has been in the works for a very long time. iPadOS 26 ain't the best, man, I'll be honest with you. But there is one feature that is working, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. All right, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do a face cam video on the iPad natively using iPadOS 26. Okay, so you need to be on iPadOS 26. So this is real quick. I would suggest when you go to here, you go to your settings, go to multitasking, keep this on full screen apps. I'll show you why in a second, yeah? Keep that as full screen apps. And then go to your app store and type in Pipifire. Can you see that, Pipifire? Type in Pipifire. By the way, iPadOS 26 has messed up the Magic Keyboard. That no longer works properly. Pipifire, this is Pipifire, okay? You wanna download this. This is a Safari extension. So go ahead and install Pipifire. When you can't open it because it's not an app. It's an extension. So when it says enable it, just make sure you enable it. And let me go ahead and show you this. So if I go to Safari, what you want to do is go to webcam. So type in webcam test. Again, I can't even, the Magic Keyboard is screwed up because of this, yeah? So this is what you're going to come to, webcam test. And then just go ahead and say, test my cam. Allow it, okay? Allow this to work. So that's the extension, it's working now, yeah? You can see me there, it's working. What to do is, this is where you're gonna start using Pipifire now, yeah? So if I click on that extension, can you see that right on the top? There's an extension here, manage extensions. I'm gonna click on Pipifire. And unfortunately, it's decided to change the orientation of this Pipifire. It doesn't matter, just come out of this app now, go home. So now I have a face cam, is reorientated the face cam. If it doesn't, it's okay, just rotate your iPad and it will change the orientation. It will correct the orientation of the little webcam. So now look at this, we have a floating webcam, okay? This is a floating webcam, and this will work on top of any other app. So now if I wanna go and do a tutorial on LumaFusion, and I wanna show people how to do a video editing tutorial, I can go ahead and do that. All the while, actually, if I just touch this, the buttons will disappear. So you can see that now. I tend to do my tutorials on using GoodNotes when I'm annotating or doing lessons. So here I might be doing, I might want to zoom in and do a lesson on that. And at the same time, my webcam is capturing me. Now, this is not a complete setup because what we need to do is we need to go ahead and screen record, okay? So I'm gonna go pull this down and I'm gonna go ahead and do my screen recording. Now, I've got this button here that says screen recording. If you don't, then you can edit these buttons. Just add, and you can edit these buttons on the control center. So I already have you can add a control and then it will take you to the settings. You can add screen recording from there, okay? So I already have that, which is perfectly fine. Don't just click on screen recording because obviously we want to record it with audio. So we're gonna go ahead and click and hold and then select photos because we're gonna save this as photos, and make sure that your microphone is on. Make sure the microphone is on and then start recording. Now, because we have iPadOS 26, we are recording our face cam using the webcam, okay, using webcamtest.com, and we are now doing our tutorial. So I can write here, I can annotate, okay, I can try this out, yeah, give it a go. And as I'm working on my iPad, I have this face cam. Now this is native. I'm not using another, I'm not using another camera or my iPhone to record my face cam. I have my face cam live, okay, because of this new update. So as I'm doing my tutorial, you are also recording your face cam. If I stop the video, and then you can see this video playback in your photo gallery. This is the actual recording. I can go ahead and press play, and we are now
doing a tutorial.
Well,
I can write here, I can annotate. Okay, I can try this out. Yeah, give it a go. And as I'm working on my iPad, I have this facecam. Now this is...
Anyway, I've still got the facecam running, so I should go here and go back to this website, and then I can go ahead and actually turn this website off. Bloop. Okay. Go ahead and try this and let me know in the comments below whether this works for you, and if you had any trouble setting this up. If you have any tips, let the audience know in the comments below. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.